Hi, this is Jingo. In this video, I'm going to show you the new way or the new interface, lagi namang interface, of Facebook audience, kung paano po tayo gumawa ng mga custom audiences. This ad or this ad account is very, very new. Kaya wala pa tong audiences. So, when you go to audiences, supposedly, ang makikita nyo, yung mga lists ng audience na nagawa nyo na. But because this is very new, wala pa talaga siyang audience, gagawa po tayo and I'm going to show you how. Pag clinic mo ito, you will be given options kung ano ang gusto mong igawa ng custom audience. Alright, so ito yung sinasabi kong mga tao na bumisita sa iyong website. Ito naman yung mga kung app yung iyong pinopromote sa Facebook. Ito po ginagamit sa paggawa ng kanilang custom audience. Ito naman yung mga email lists natin na nakuha nating mga leads. Ito po yung offline activity. Itong manual mo itong ine-encode kay Facebook. And then, yung lahat naman ang nanggaling sa Facebook page mo or other pages like Instagram account kasi connected ito sa Facebook natin. Nanood ng video mo, depende kung ilang haba. Yung lead form, yung lead generation na native ng Facebook, sa objective po nakikita ito. And then, instant experience, yung mga nag-click ng yung ads through instant experience. Yung shopping, meron kasi tayo ngayong e-commerce o Facebook shop. Then, yung Instagram account, sino man yung mga nag-engage doon. Yung mga events na pinopromote natin when we choose events. And then, yung Facebook page, na kung sino man yung mga nag-engage doon, nag-like doon, nag-comment, nag-share, anything that a person did inside your Facebook page, okay? Yung mga nag-react. And then, on Facebook listings. I'm not really familiar with this, but let's see what this is about. Create an audience of people who interacted with the on Facebook listings from your catalog. So, if you have a catalog, perhaps, I'm not really sure, but medyo nagigets ko siya, na e-commerce ang page mo. Like, yung may shop ka, the people who checked on the listings over there from the posts or from the products that you've listed over there. So, that could be so, but I'm not very sure of that. Okay, but it looks like it anyway. I'm gonna dig this further down the line. So, but as of now, I'll just show you the basics, and it's not really basic anyway because I've been using this all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna go for website because ito yung gusto kong igawa ng custom audience ngayon because I'm going to create an ad for a client. And this is a very new business manager with new ad accounts. Basically, zero audience yet. So, igagawa po natin siya. I'm going to click this now. And then next. So, you have to choose the proper pixel. Kasi if your business manager has a lot of ad accounts and you created different pixels for that, you need to be very careful in choosing a pixel because it could you can make a mistake. Baka mamaya para sa ibang website iyon, ibang visitors, so it's not targeted kapag iba yung characteristics or attribution ng mga taong pumupunta doon, and then yung pixel nun, yung mga audiences nun, yun ang makukuha mo. So you need to be careful. And I'm going to pick this one because ito po yung naka-connect na pixel dito sa ginagawa ko. And then all website visitors. Alright? So I'll go for 90 days. And then, ito, audience name, all website visitors for 90 days para sure. Okay, so now we have one. Now to create a lookalike audience, all you have to do is go here, create lookalike, And then choose how many, 1%. Or, so andyan na siya. So you can choose 1%, 2%, 3%, so on and so forth. 1% is yung premium. Yung talagang gusto mong maging kamukhang kamukha ng mga audiences na bumibisita sa website mo. If you put 2, siyempre pataas ng pataas yung percentage. Pwede pong hindi na sobrang kamukha. 3% lalo na, 4%, at ganun po sa 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yung 1% po kasi, piling-pili na sila. So, sila yung premium audience natin. Sila yung halos kahawig na ng mga tao na bumibisita sa website natin. Yung parehong-pareho talaga yung interest. Yung 2% medyo pareho, pero baka may interest pang iba. Hindi puro K-pop lang for this, like for this one. And then yung 3%, ganun din. Mas, marami ng interest itong tao na to, not just K-pop. And then yung 4%, ganun din. At gets nyo na siguro, as you go bigger, the chance is your audience is not as premium or as not targeted as you'd like them to be. Now you need to put the location, and for this one, of course, Philippines. And just click create audience. Okay, first, 1% for 90 days, there are only 1,040,000 people. And ang ideal is about 4 million. But now, because of the tracking option that has been implemented by Apple for people who will upgrade to iOS 14, there will be a big chance na hindi na po ganun kalaki yung magiging reach ng ating mga lookalike audiences. Ganun din namang custom audiences. It's because of the people who's using iPhone and opted not to be tracked. Okay? So, isa yun sa effect. Now, all you have to do is click Create Audience. So, there you go. There's your lookalike. If you want to create 2%, 3%, the same procedure. Okay, if you want to create other audiences, dito lang po kayo magkiklik. And I'm going to show you para naman po sa Facebook page. Okay, I'm going to click Custom Audience. Click Facebook page. Okay, next. Okay, so Nabishop is yung page. And then, people who engage with your page. But I want to click people who sent a message, ayan, to my page, and then 90 days, message on page, 90 days, and then create audience. Done. Kung gusto nyo pa ulit siyang igawa ng lookalike, click here, and then create lookalike, 1%, location, Philippines, click that, over here, create audience. Okay. Ngayon, igagawa ko po ito ng 3% because I really want to target broader audience than just 1%. Okay, so that's it. That's how you create your custom audiences and lookalike audiences. This is Jingo, and I'll see you next video. Whoa, oh.